Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and locating screws. Take out the battery, then lift the stickers to reveal the 4 Torx screws. Use a T8 driver and keep screws in order so reassembly is easy. Once the screws are out, wedge a plastic pry tool into the seam and work around the edge. You want to avoid snapping plastic clips. Make sure to observe how the ribbon cable sits and where cables clip so you can reconnect them exactly the same way. Once the shell is open and the PCB exposed, remove the screws holding the board and carefully lift it to access the joystick. You may either desolder the joystick pins or unplug a connector depending on your model. Either way, document pin orientation with a photo. Install the replacement module matching pins and plastic tabs. Ensure the shaft moves freely and sits flush. After a dry fit, solder or reconnect the pins solidly. You reassemble by reconnecting the ribbon cable and aligning clips, then press the shells together and tighten screws in the original pattern to avoid stress. Reinsert the battery, power on, and pair with your console. Then run the controller calibration or aim test to confirm full range of motion. If you notice drift or erratic input, make sure solder joints are solid and the joystick housing is seated straight. As a troubleshooting tip, increase the dead zone slightly in settings to mask minor misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.